Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to pull back the curtain on artificial intelligence. And you know what? We're not just going to talk about it. We're going to build it right here, right now.
Okay, so we've all seen it, right? AI spitting out incredible text, poems, code, you name it, in just seconds. But have you ever stopped and wondered, how does it actually do that? How can a machine predict the next word with what feels like, well, human intuition?
All right, let's just dive in. Seriously, in the next few minutes, you are going to build your very own AI writer, completely from scratch. And we're going to do it using totally free open source tools. No tricks, no smoke and mirrors, just a couple of lines of code. It's that simple.
So before we even touch a line of code, we've got to meet the two powerhouses that make this whole thing so simple. Think of them as our guides. First up, you've got Hugging Face. The easiest way to picture this, it's like a giant digital library. But instead of books, it's packed with these powerful, pre-trained AI brains that super smart people have already built. And the best part? We can all just borrow them and use them. And when I say giant library, I mean it. The scale is just mind-blowing. We're not talking about a few dozen options here. There are over 1 million different AI models on the hub right now. 1 million. That means there's a specialized tool for pretty much anything you can dream up, whether it's writing a sonnet or debugging your code. Okay, so if Hugging Face is the library full of amazing AI brains, how do we actually use them? Well, that's where Transformers comes in. It's basically the universal key. It's a simple little software library that unlocks every single one of those models, letting you plug them into your own projects with just a couple of lines of code. So with those two tools, the library and the key, building your own AI writer is not some huge complicated thing. Not at all. It really just comes down to 3 simple steps. So here's the game plan. It's super straightforward. Step 1, install the tools. Step 2, grab an AI model from that huge library and load it up. And step 3, give it a starting sentence and, well, watch the magic happen. Seriously, that's it. So step 1, it all starts with this one single line of code. That's it. This command installs Transformers. That's our universal key, remember? And something called Torch, which you can think of as the engine that does all the heavy lifting in the background. All right, on to step 2. Here, we use this awesome shortcut from the Transformers library called a pipeline. We just tell it what we want to do, in this case, text generation, and then we tell it which model we want to use. For this, we're picking one called Distilled GPT-2. It's basically a small, super fast version of GPT-2, which makes it perfect for running on pretty much any computer without a fuss. And now for the final step. This is the fun part. We just call that generator we just made, and we feed it a prompt to get it started, something like, artificial intelligence will change the world because... Then we just tell it how long to make the response. Here we're saying 50 words. And that's it. The AI takes our starter sentence and just goes, predicting the most likely words to come next. Okay, so making the AI write something is cool. But you know what's even cooler? Actually controlling its personality, making it more creative, more surprising. That's where this gets really interesting. So check this out. These 3 little parameters give you a ton of creative control. You can tell it how long to write. You can ask for a bunch of different versions at once. But the real magic is temperature. You got to think of temperature as like a creativity dial. If you turn it down low, the AI plays it safe. It's very predictable. But if you crank it up high, the AI gets more random, more adventurous. It can get a little wild, which is a lot of fun. So here's what that looks like in the code. We're asking for 3 different ways to finish our sentence. And see that temperature? We've set it to 0.9, which is pretty high. We're basically telling the AI, hey, don't just give me the obvious answer. Get creative. Be a little weird. So yeah, you've seen just how easy this is to build. But this little script, these few lines of code, this isn't just a toy. This is the fundamental building block, the DNA, for technology that is already out there changing our world. I mean, think about it. This exact tech is everywhere. It's the tool helping writers bust through writer's block. It's the brains behind the customer service chatbots you talk to online. It's generating marketing copy for websites. And it's even helping programmers write better code faster. It's already here. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you went from asking, how does this work, to actually building a powerful, creative tool. You now literally have the keys to generate text on demand. So the conversation really changes now, doesn't it?
It's not just about how these incredible tools work anymore. You've seen that part. You've done it. The real question, the one that really matters now, is what are you going to create with this? The possibilities, well, they're pretty much endless.